Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. If you have a wood-burning stove in your house like we do, then you have to clean the chimney. We do an inspection of the chimney once a year, usually during summer, to prepare everything for the autumn and winter heating season. In this video we'll show you one easy way to do this without the risky climbing on the roof. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
Besides the chimney, you should also inspect and clean your wood-burning stove in order to be sure that it will work properly during the cold days. We have a video dedicated specifically to that topic. If you want to see it, click on the card in the corner of this video or on the link in the description. You can also see our other videos on how to start a fire in a wood-burning stove, how to make kindle, how to cook on the stove, and else. Disclaimer. Before we start, we must say that proper cleaning of the chimney should be left to professionals. We do it on our own since we're pretty isolated here in the countryside and professionals are pretty hard to find. If you have the possibility in your country, call the professionals. They have the gear and expertise to climb onto the roof, clean the chimney, but also check out any other problems on the whole system. How to inspect and clean the chimney. Needless to say, you should do this cleaning when there's no fire in the stove, in daylight, and when there's no heavy wind outside. Now, every chimney by design should have an accessible opening at the bottom of it called a clean-out opening. You'll easily recognize it. It's a rectangular small door. It may be outside of the house, but in our case it's located in our old bathroom since the base of the chimney is there. This is very convenient in our case since the chimney heats the bathroom for free also. For doing this, best prepare some sort of bucket or an old wash bowl and a brush so you can collect the soot. Also, if needed, protect the surroundings with some sort of foil since the soot may fly around the opening. Now remove or open the cleaning door. Usually there will be some soot deposits that are also called creosote. Take the brush and clean the deposits out. Best do it slowly to avoid making a mess. As you'll see, there may be a whole bucket of it. Now, when this is done, you can make the inspection. For this, you'll need a simple mirror. We used this convenient telescopic one, but you can use pretty much any mirror. You can also use an old smartphone, if you have one, and use the camera as a mirror. Put the mirror inside the chimney and turn it until you get a reflection of the top of the chimney opening. If the chimney is clean, you'll see the daylight clearly through the opening, which is in this case rectangular. But if you see just a small hole, a cluttered passageway to the top, and a lot of creosote buildup, you'll have to clean the whole chimney. Know that if you don't do this, the creosote buildup can easily start a chimney fire when you start using the stove. For cleaning the whole chimney, we use a metal brush or, in more critical situations, a metal ball, which is rare. This is old-fashioned. There is more modern and practical equipment that you can buy for the job. If you decide to use the brush, know that you can insert it from the bottom of the chimney through the clean-out opening and sweep all the way to the top. This way you'll avoid having to climb onto the roof and you'll also get a pretty good result. The only downside that we've experienced doing this is that the soot makes somewhat a mess. But if the cleaning opening is outside, then there is no problem. Once again, be sure to check the chimney at least once a year, preferably during the summer. Especially if the stove is the main source of heating in the household, like in our case. The last thing you would want is a clogged chimney in the middle of winter. For a wood-burning stove, this means no heating, no cooking, and lots of smoke in the house. All in all, big problems. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.